How long has Gemini been around? Hook. What if I told you that there was a robot that could write you a song, write you a poem, write you a story, or even write you a code? What if I told you that this robot could also answer your questions, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content? Context. Well, I'm here to tell you that this robot is real, and its name is Gemini. Gemini is a large language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. It is able to generate text that is indistinguishable from human-written text, and it can also perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks. Thesis. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Gemini. I'll talk about its history, its capabilities, and its potential applications. History of Gemini. Gemini was first introduced to the public in April 2021. It is the latest and most powerful language model from OpenAI, the same company that developed GPT-3. Gemini is based on the same transformer architecture as GPT-3, but it has been significantly improved. It has more than twice the number of parameters as GPT-3, and it has been trained on a dataset that is more than twice the size. Capabilities of Gemini. Gemini is capable of generating text that is indistinguishable from human-written text. It can also perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including summarizing text, answering questions, translating languages, generating different kinds of creative content. Gemini is also able to perform a wide range of coding tasks, including writing and debugging code, explaining how code works, generating code documentation, writing tests for code. Potential applications of Gemini. Gemini has the potential to be used for a wide variety of applications, including customer service chatbots, personal assistants, educational tools, language translation tools, code generation tools, content creation tools. Gemini is still under development, but it is already an incredibly powerful language model. It is likely to become even more powerful in the future, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. In this video, I have told you everything you need to know about Gemini. I have talked about its history, its capabilities, and its potential applications. Gemini is a powerful and versatile language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. I am excited to see what the future holds for Gemini and other language models like it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.